Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Just past 6:09 now on this early Thursday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some milder weather for the last couple of days of February before we take a turn for colder and snowier weather as we start the month of March. So let's get right into what you need to know. Tomorrow will be milder and we will see clearing for some sunshine out there, but a spotty flurry still cannot be ruled out. I think 90% of us escape the day just totally dry. As we head through Saturday, though, it's pleasantly milder, especially as we head through the late morning, early afternoon hours. That's after a few morning showers. And then we do deal with another significant cold front for Saturday night into Sunday morning. That brings us some more snow along with a coating to 2 inches by Sunday morning. So you can see that here, 2 chances for snow over the next 5 days or so. One of them being Saturday night into Sunday morning, as I just mentioned. And then don't pay attention to the specific numbers, but our next chance of snow comes our way for Tuesday. And it looks like some of those snow showers could linger into Wednesday and Thursday before we warm things up. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's take a live look first, though, at downtown Utica, where we're still hanging on to a little bit of daylight. But we do have clear skies out there right now, 23 degrees. Winds out of the northwest at 5 miles an hour, making it feel like 17. Visibility is not an issue. That dew point is 12, so it's rather dry. And then as we go through the evening hours, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies and rather light winds out there. But any wind that we do see, especially across the North Country, will make it feel like it's in the single digits, both above and below zero, with temperatures bottoming out in the single digits to around 10 degrees. Temperatures across the state right now ranging from 19 all the way up in Saranac Lake, all the way up to 43. So we've got quite a temperature spread across the region, sandwiched in between central New York seeing the 20s to right around 30 degrees. And we do have fairly light winds, but as I mentioned, any wind adds a chill to the air, so it makes it feel just a couple of degrees colder out there. But with that being said, we do have dry conditions. The reason for that, as we take a look at our satellite and radar, is because of high pressure moving into western New York from southern Ontario right now. And that'll keep things dry through at least tomorrow evening before we start to see some clouds on the increase. So clouds will be with us overnight tonight, and temperatures bottoming out on either side of 10 degrees. And then as we head through your Friday, we'll see temperatures boosting their way well up into the upper 30s to right around, if not just above 40 degrees, which is considered seasonable, but a little bit above average for this time of year. Then we'll see clouds on the increase tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. There'll be a lot of sunshine out there tomorrow as well, other than that spotty flurry chance. As we go through Saturday, we'll start the day with a few rain showers, highs between 40 and 45, going over to a few snow showers, as I mentioned, Saturday night into Sunday morning. Highs only around 20 to 25 for both Sunday and Monday. Then it looks like we do warm things up, but it turns a bit messy for both Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with a few rain and snow showers and highs closer to where they should be in the middle and upper 30s to lower 40s. Thomas, back over to you.
This news is brought to you by Nye Automotive Group. Come see why it's gotta be Nye. Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Seconds away from 10:18 on this late Thursday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some sunshine and some warmer temperatures, or at least milder temperatures, for the final Friday of the month of February, believe it or not. So let's take a look at what you need to know heading into the weekend. That's included a mild Friday, clearing for some sunshine out there. And then as we head through our Saturday, it's even milder, pleasantly so, into the mid-40s after starting the day with a few morning showers. But because it'll be milder, those will be rain showers, not snow showers. The same cannot be said, however, for Saturday night into Sunday morning. When we see a cold front move through, it knocks the temperature back for the first 2 days of March back into the 20s, and it looks like we'll see a coating to 2 inches of snow between Saturday night and Sunday morning. And that's not the only snow chance that we have in the 7-day forecast. We've got a coating to 2 inches likely between Saturday night and Sunday morning from a few flurries and snow showers. Then it looks like we could see maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow by the time we get to Tuesday afternoon. And it looks like chances for both rain and snow will continue as we head into both Wednesday and Thursday. So don't pay attention to the specific numbers just yet, but it gives you an idea that even though we are heading into the month of March and meteorological spring, we still have some snow chances to get through, even though there will be some milder temperatures in the long-range forecast. Right now in downtown Utica, though, definitely not mild. We're sitting at 12 degrees, but at least there's a calm wind and some clear sky. Visibility not an issue at the present time. As far as the overnight hours go, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies and rather light winds out there. The winds do pick up a little bit as we head through the day tomorrow, but at least it starts with mostly sunny skies. Temperatures starting off in the single digits and teens and making their way into the upper 30s to right around 40 degrees. We're still at 40 plus degrees down in New York City right now, 41 at the present time, but we've got 10 in Saranac Lake. That's our cold spot right now, sandwiched in between the rest of us into the lower, if not the middle teens out there right now, and largely calm winds over most of the state. But again, when it's this cold, it doesn't take a lot of wind to make it feel colder. The radar free and clear precipitation right now. The reason for that is because of high pressure located off toward the west, and it's going to be in control as we head through the day tomorrow. So we have that to thank for the milder temperatures, but also the dry conditions, and that'll be the case overnight tonight. We'll see a few clouds out there, and then we'll see clouds on the increase toward tomorrow morning. More clouds as we head through the afternoon, especially the further northwest that you go, but again, still dry as we head throughout the day. Temperatures making a run at the upper 30s to right around 40 degrees. Clouds increase late, and then precip chances increase toward and after midnight through Saturday morning as a cold front moves through. So that's the reason for the midday high of 43 on Saturday, and then we'll barely get out of the 20s for both Sunday and Monday. But at least Monday there will be some sunshine out there, just not very warm. We do warm things up though and get a little bit messy for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, a little bit closer to average for this time of year. Thomas, back to you.
Jordan, that warm.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Just past 11:11 on this late Thursday evening, I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some milder temperatures and some sunshine for the final Friday of February before we see even milder temperatures as we head through Saturday. So let's take a look at what you need to know. Again, mild Friday with clearing for some sunshine out there. It's pleasantly milder as we head through our Saturday after a few morning rain showers, but it'll be rain and not snow with temperatures milder. And then as we head through Saturday night into Sunday, that's not the case. We'll be changing things back over to snow with the cold front moving through the area. And the first 2 days of the month of March will struggle to get out of the 20s. So struggling to get to average or well below average, I should say, for the first 2 days of meteorological spring. So again, for Sunday morning, we're looking at a few flurries and snow showers that could add up to a coating to maybe an inch or two in some locations. And then another chance of at least a few snow showers comes our way for Tuesday afternoon, and it looks like it could continue through Wednesday and Thursday. So take the exact numbers right now with a grain of salt, because obviously it's 5+ days away, but it gives you an idea that we do have several chances for snow, even though we'll be flipping the page into meteorological spring. 29 and 12, the high and low respectively today. Both of those below average by about 7 to 8 degrees respectively, and obviously not any records. No precipitation observed, and we had just over 11 hours and 5 minutes of daylight with sunrise this morning at 6:45. It said this evening at 10 minutes to 6. Right now in downtown Utica, we're bottoming out at 12 degrees, but also holding steady from the last hour in terms of that temperature. Also calm wind, visibility not an issue at the present time either. As far as the overnight goes, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, and that's the way our Friday will start. And then we will see some sunshine developing as we head through the late morning, early afternoon. And as such, temperatures will respond nicely after starting the day in the single digits and teens. We'll make our way into the upper 30s to right around 40. Single digits and teens across the area right now, still 37 down in New York City at the present time. And statewide, we are scanning things dry. The reason for that is because of high pressure back toward the Midwest, our fair weather friend. And it'll be with us again as we head through our Friday. So Futurecast shows that we will have some clouds, yes, during the overnight hours, and especially more clouds as we head through the afternoon tomorrow. Again, after starting the day in the single digits and teens, we'll make our way into the upper 30s to right around, if not just above 40 degrees as we head through the afternoon. Then clouds will be on the increase ahead of a cold front that will bring us that shower chance as we head through late tomorrow night through early on Saturday morning. But then as we head through the afternoon, we'll see temperatures between 40 and 42 25 degrees, above where we should be for this time of the year. Not so much, though, Sunday and Monday. 20 to 25 both days, and a few flurries out there, especially on Sunday. And then it looks like we get back to normal temperatures for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. But it does come with rain and snow shower chances. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan.